Hey, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today was Thursday, August 9th, 2018. I want to make a clarification on the close 30 type of trading strategy. I really do like that, but I think I don't think. I know it works best if the market moves considerably up or considerably down in the day. Doesn't matter which way, if it goes up or down. For instance, the best way I think the close 30 works. If the market goes up and stays up for the day until the end of the session, you want to short it and take it lower for a 1.5p shot at it. If the market goes down considerably, then you want to, at close 30, last 30, you want to take it up in the last 30, 1.5p. You risk, I haven't made up my mind if you should risk 1/2 R or 1 R. Right now, 1/2 R would be 10 ticks, 1 R is 20, and on current statistics that the market or the average daily range is right now. Now, obviously, that can change all the time, but as of today, I was running with a 20 tick 1 R today. I finished down 39 ticks overall. I was down 20 ticks until I took on the close 30 in the last part. Excuse me, I finished down 38 ticks, not 39. I went down 18 ticks in the last two trades trying to play with that close 30. I do not, I find that most of the trades that I trade in the afternoon, as I look back at where I lose, in the afternoon, it's usually in a market that hasn't moved significantly one way or the other during the session. If you look at today, I mean, it was down, but it was just kind of hanging out, consolidating pretty much, right? There was really no opportunity on the trend side to really pull out any profits. Yesterday was the movement. If I could have stayed in or found a way to get short yesterday, that would have been the best opportunity so far that I've seen during this week. I want to leave that out there for you right now. That's really all I want to talk about. I don't have much on the agenda right now. Tomorrow I hope to be able to pull out, at least get back. As I look at my equity curve right now, this particular combine has not been above 30,000 during the 5 days of trading. I've been at 30, then at 28, 29.5, then 28.9. Is where I went here to here, still below it, and then I finished up today at 29.4.5, 29.5 again. So I'm right back to my low. And as I look at the drawdown, since I haven't been above 30,000, I still have 28.5 in front of me. In other words, I still got $1,000. Plus, if I'm smart enough, I can use, if I do fall that low, I can still use that. So the bottom line, what I'm trying not to do is get pissed off at myself and hit max daily loss on this combine. What I want to do, if I fail this combine, I want to fail it because I hit max trailing drawdown and keep giving myself the best opportunities to take on trades. I think personally, I gave the market 18 ticks right today. So I like how I've traded overall. Today was a learning experience for me. I thought that maybe you can do close 30 every day. I bracketed it today because of non-movement. I said, all right, since it's a non-movement day, let's bracket it. So what I tried to do is go long above and short below, and then I got caught on both sides. And that's happened to me on 3 separate occasions on a non-movement day that I've got knocked out like that. So yes, I'm still working out strategies. It's part of the summer, and that's what I do. So right now I feel pretty confident about several things that I do, and I'm quite confident that I'll get back to funded. So and then when I get there, I want to stay there. So that's the whole point right now, as I'm sitting in this combine where the most I'm at risk right now is maybe a 150 plus the reset. I'm not risking a $5,000 account. So that's the beauty of being a TopStep Trader, in my humble opinion, is that you can keep working on your trading strategy without risking real money. I mean, you have your monthly budget pretty much, at TopStep Trader, and for me it's around anywhere between 250 to 450 to roughly, it averages out around 250 a month for me. The 150 plus a $100 reset. So that's what's been going on. That's kind of like as I look back at May, June, and July, August. So 4 months. I've pretty much given back my check that I got. That's fine with me. I'm good about, as long as I feel like I'm progressing in the right way. And right now, I feel like what I've been doing is taking less trades, taking better trades, and giving myself the best opportunity. Today, I was in, I'll put it up, I recorded the morning session. There was a trade I was short, and at one point it had went down, and it was sitting right there that it could have just dropped and kept on going. It stopped and it came back up. I mean, 2 times a day I was in a situation like that. So, you know, those will come. It's not, if I put myself, the best logic I can tell you right now as far as trading goes, it's much like fishing. I mean, you got to throw your line out there and you got to see if it'll connect. And just because it connects doesn't mean that some bigger fish will come up. Some bigger fish sometimes you go up there and swallows your fish and then takes your bait, and it also takes your line too. Hopefully you don't lose your fishing pole. So that's the kind of thing that I look at it. You know, as long as I can pull it back in, put bait back on there and throw it back out again, you know, don't lose the fishing pole. In other words, don't lose probably your sanity. Don't lose your ability to do things that you know that will get you to the promised land or the finish line, or however you want to look at it. That's it. 7 minutes of talking. This is Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Hope this helps you. I know that when I do look back at me talking, sometimes I don't look at me very much because I really don't care to watch me. But when I do, sometimes when I go back and look, I'll learn something or I'll look at something. Not me talking like this is the physical talk, but me looking like my live trading is what I mean. Not me sitting here in front of the camera talking. I don't like to watch me do that at all. But when I sit there and I record that live trading, sometimes I learn something. Like I think that I saw something, but what I get at is that, well, here's something that I should have seen, but I didn't when I was in the heat of the battle. So that is where I learned the most from, and hopefully you do too. That's something you should be doing if you're not doing that. It's recording your trading. Go back and review your trading, and then start taking your notes. Take your journal. Take your journal and write notes. Write your notes out. Learn from your mistakes. Learn from your shortcomings. That's where you learn the most. Your winning trades, or win's a win is a win in some ways, but you'll learn a lot more from your losing trades. I hope that helps you. I know it's helped me over the days to record what I do wrong, what I've done right, where I can go and do better. So that's it. Dave Knight, once again, at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video I put together. Bye for now.